Captions are pretty much a must nowadays on social media, and they're an effective way to grab someone's attention. And often people are swiping with the sound off, so no captions will lead to a swipe away. So today we're going to show you how to make animated captions inside of Premiere. Once you have your edit complete, you can either open your text panel or change your workspace to Captions and Graphics. Now, the first thing to do is transcribe your clip. Once you have that, go to Captions and select Create Captions from Transcript. These settings control how fast your captions appear and how much text is on screen at once. And this is where we will change our settings. Since we're going for a faster pace, I'm going to set the maximum length in characters to 20, minimum duration in seconds to 1.2, gap between captions to 0, and set your lines to single. Tap Create Captions and review your edit to make sure there are no errors. If there are, just double-click your caption and make any adjustments you need right here. Once the captions are created, we can work on the style. To do this, select your captions and go to your Properties panel. If you don't see it, go up to Windows and select Properties. Now adjust your font, size, position, and any other appearance settings that you would like. Then once you've created something you're happy with, click the plus icon in the Tray Style dropdown, select Create Style, and name it. This saves your font, color, and size settings for reuse across your project and creates a text style file that you can export and reuse in future projects. But with your style created and your captions selected, go up to Graphics and Titles and select Upgrade Captions to Graphics. This is what will allow you to animate your text. So tap your first graphic and go to Effects Controls. Tap the stopwatch next to your scale and change your size to 95 or whatever you're looking for. Move 3 frames forward and change your scale to 105, then 2 frames forward and change your scale to 100. Finally, right-click the keyframes and select Ease Out for the first keyframe and Ease In for the last 2. And this gives us this little animation. If your animation is looking off, double-check that your anchor point is set in the middle of your text. From here, you can adjust your position, then scale vector motion and copy it using Ctrl-C or Command-C. Now select the rest of your captions and paste using Ctrl-V or Command-V. And now you should have a little animation at the start of every caption. If you want to take it further, a great addition to capture attention more is highlighting each word as it's being said. To do this, go into your timeline and create a cut in your graphic after every word. Then highlight each word and in your properties, change the color and/or raise the scale a bit. Repeat this for the entire video and you should have captions that look like this. It is a bit time consuming, but worth it. And if you're looking to automate that more, you can grab third-party plugins like Captioneer that will give you even more control and do a lot of this work for you. The downside here is you have to pay for it and it can be pricey. But that's it, creating animated captions inside of Premiere. And as always, if you have any questions or a topic you'd like to see us cover in the future, leave us a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you do forget, eat blueberries. Apparently, it helps with memory.